What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the AVT Aventus token on Coinbase. As you can see, we are already logged into our account on coinbase.com, but if you don't have a Coinbase account yet, then sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the first step, we need to go to the search bar right on top over here and we will click on it. There we will fill in AVT. And there it is, the Aventus token. We will select it and now you will be brought to the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here with daily timeframes, hourly timeframes, and weekly, monthly and yearly timeframes. You can select whichever you prefer, and once you have done that, you can read through the information about this coin. You also have a section with some information with stats about this coin, like the market cap, the volume, the circulation supply and all-time highs. And as you can see, we have a buy, sell and convert option on the right side. For now we will leave it on the buy option because we would like to buy this coin. And beside of that you have a order type to select. You have a one-time order, that is basically a purchase, a single purchase for the current market price. But you can also select a recurring buy if you are planning to buy this coin a lot more often. So for now we will leave it on a one-time order, and then we go back and we will fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this purchase. For an example, we would like to spend 1000 euros, and once you have filled in that, these amount of coins you are receiving are appearing over here. After that you can select your preferred payment method and you will click on it, and here is a list with the available payment methods. If you would like to select one, just select one, but if it's not here, the preferred payment method, you can add a new payment method by clicking on this button down below. Once you have done that, select it, and after that we will check all the information we have filled in over here. The amount of euros or dollars you would like to spend, the preferred payment method, and of course the type of token you want to buy. Once you have done that and checked it, you can click on review order. And now I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. As you can see, for every order we do or every trade we make, we will pay a transaction fee. And if you would like to save yourself a lot of money on transaction fees, you can use the Coinbase One subscription. For this order, it is already 38 euros you are paying towards Coinbase for using their platform. If you try the Coinbase One subscription for free for 7 days, you won't pay any transaction fees up to 10k of trades a month. Definitely try that out, and after those 7 days you just pay 25 euros a month. And as you can see on this trade, we are already making profit by using their service for 25 euros a month. So definitely try that out, you will save yourself a lot of money. Once you have decided to buy this coin, just click on the buy now option down below. And once you've done that, these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!